Good morning, YouTubers and stock twitters. This is Bag of Don, Stock Market Caddy. Today is Monday, August 17th at 9:37, and we just shorted the Dow, the YMU. Why did we short the Dow? The reason why we shorted the Dow is we were getting a signal on the 1 and the 3 minute, and we jumped ahead of it just ever so slightly, and it is trending down. It is selling off in the ES contract. The ES is now starting to fade, and we're going to short it in a moment. And we welcome you. You're welcome to watch. I'm going to close the mic here and let you watch the markets here live. This is how we monitor the markets. We're not chasing trend lines. We're not chasing this technical, that technical. They're not so technical. You know, all these indicators and moving averages and MACDs and Aruns and yada, yada, yada. You don't want to forget to trade. Just like a golf club, you know, people get too mechanical in their swing and they forget it's a swing. Now, in the interest of preserving YouTube time, they only give us a 10-minute window to make a video, or a 10-minute length. So we're going to pause this video, and we'll be back. You can note the time, 9:41, give or take a few seconds. And if we put that position on the ES, we will come back and show you. Okay, YouTube land, our machines have just shorted the ES. This is on an alternate strategy. See, we have not just the swing machine to trade visually, but we also have mechanical strategies running. And this particular model, this particular strategy said it was time to sell the ES. It was picking up a lack of breadth in the market, and it decided on its own to fade the market. We're okay with it. Probably would not have put it on ourselves right here, but we'll see how it plays out. You see, folks, what we're all about is decision-making software. We're going to leave the Twitter sphere to the Twitter folks, you know. You want to get in there and, you know, rah, 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 I bought this, I bought that, you know, and Tesla's going to the moon, and Amazon's going to the moon, and, you know, Elon Musk is, you know, you want to be a jock sniffer of Elon Musk. You know, for us, that's just a waste of time, just silly and a waste of time. We're here out to make money. Take a look at what gold is doing. That trade there at 8:17, if you guys were up at 5:55 a.m. on the 5-minute gold, you see the 5-minute gold right here, get long gold at 1960, you'd be up $2 grand. NQ at 4:55, notice that you could have been up $2 grand. You know, there's two contracts, 2 trades, you'd be up $4 grand, and you can take the rest of the week off. Okay, folks, so now you're see the ES contract is just going short 2 minutes ago, the last 2 minutes. Now we got a little jump on it. We're up $100 on the ES contract. You can see the Dow is completely short, so that's looking good. So we're up 500 there. And, you know, sometimes, you know, our systems, do they compete? Yeah, I mean, they're competing for my attention. They're competing for my trading capital, but sometimes they complement each other, and that's a, you know, that's a beautiful thing. So now we just kind of sit back and let the trades roll. And you can see, if you look at the Dow, the 1 minute we've been short for 26 minutes. The machine is up 395, 400. We're up 5 1/4. We got a little jump on it, and the trend is all red and headed down, and that's good because we are in fact short. The ES contract is doing much the same, and there are other opportunities here that we could have taken, but we don't go crazy, and you know, we're you know, trading within ourselves. In golf, they talk about playing golf within ourselves. You got to remember there are 20 trading days in a month. If you count Sunday nights, there are 24 to 25. You know, I don't know what your goals are on a per day basis. Mine are relatively modest, but let's do the math. If you walk away with $200 a day mechanically, that'd be an extra $4,000 plus a month. 500? What is that? 10,000 a month? Do better than that. Collect what we call a full point. Maybe a few points. I'm back at Don at Stock Market Caddy. If you're out there in Robinhood land, you know, having fun, good. Get it out of your system. Have some fun. And you'll realize very, very quick that isn't where the real money, the big money, and the smart money and the real traders hang out. That is kind of like, you know, drive for show, putt for dough. We're in here day in and day out. We'll be here. We were here long before the Robinhood traders. We'll be here long after the Robinhood traders. And if you want to learn how to trade, and you want to trade mechanically, you know, I saw, let me put it this, I saw an ad for a guy, and I'll just say, I am not David, is it David Bishop or Joe Bishop, David Bishop? And he advertises that he's Mensa. Well, I'm not David Bishop, and I'm not Mensa. I will arm wrestle you for the right in the claim that I am the dumbest guy in the room. The dumbest guy on Wall Street. No question about it. I don't know anything about anything. I'm only interested in getting in here. These are our first 2 trades of the day, and looking pretty good. Now, we only got 1 more minute left on YouTube. Let me just show you the time. So when we come back, we'll probably be closing these out or showing you where we are. Once we get up like $455, you know, $400 or $500, we lock in a profit, and then we can just sit back and relax. Okay, everyone, we're going to have to wrap up. But as you can see, those 2 positions are still on. And there's no reason for me to come out. The YM position is up real time, $785. That's almost $800. There's 800. We're going to see 800. The other position's up $275. So collectively, they're up over $1,000. That's real money. And the time is 10:19. Now, the machine has control of those 2 planes, if you will. They're not going to crash on me. I'm not going to lose any money on those. They have profits locked in. Profits are locked in, and they're adjusting real time as we go. Now, for purposes of this video, I need to wrap up. But it's entirely possible that come, you know, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, even 4 o'clock this afternoon, that I'm still in these trades. And they could be up 1,000, they could be up 2,000, they could be up 3,000 a piece. Entirely possible. But this is how we go about making our decision. Now, if you notice on the NQ, the NASDAQ, just 4 minutes ago, it went short and is up 115. I could have done that too. But we don't want to put too much on. I don't like to get more than 2 positions. So we just wanted to make this little video to give you a glimpse of what it looks, what it feels like, what a serious trader is doing, while everyone else, you know, in the Robinhood Club is tweeting away, fritting away their time and their money. This is a fairly typical day. If you're ready to get disciplined with your trading and mechanical, feel free to give me a call, 813-758-8263. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com.